Hey, I'm Zoe and welcome to DSR. I am out today with Matt. That's obviously ahead. He's on his Harley Davidson Fat Bob. I'm on my Yamaha MT-07. But today this video is all about me. This is just my reflection on my first year of riding at all. It is a little bit over a year, I'll grant you that. But a year and a couple of months isn't so catchy. Now for you smart cookies, you'll know that that's approximately the same time that we've had this channel. Yes, I agree. Ballsy of me. Ballsy of me to start a motorcycle channel with my partner Matt, even though I could not ride. Honestly, I don't think it could have been a better start to finding my real passion of everything on two wheels. I absolutely love riding. I am exceptionally grateful to Matt, who with 12 years of experience has been able to help me out, teach me the way. But really it all started by just taking the plunge and going to do my CBT. I did that and my full test, the DAS direct access with Branson's Motorcycles and Yeovil, who were just awesome. I did my CBT on an MT-125. I then, like most people, couldn't get in to do my full course, but I didn't have a motorcycle other than Matt's old WR250, which is obviously enduro focused, quite different to riding on road. But I felt like I'd grasped the basics, so I took another leap and went to the track and trail event that was near me, an awesome company which operate out of kind of Dorset, Somerset way. And they were doing a ladies enduro event. A whole training day. It was only going to be women, which was a real winning factor in my eyes. I've been to the enduro events. I've seen the level that both the men and women perform at. But I know how competitive it is, and just what a physical sport it is. So hey, I was grateful that it was going to be other women who were also fairly new at riding, or at least fairly new to the discipline of enduro. That was a cracking day. I really felt my confidence come on, even though I'd spent not even a day on a motorcycle before that. And after that I just did the DAS. I did 3 days. My third day I rose again. No, I did my test and well, I passed first time. Did you, Matthew? Riding has become such an important part of my life in the past year. I suffer with a number of chronic illnesses and I've had to give up a lot of things that I love, including my career and including playing rugby. I've always been active as well, which has just completely gone out the window. So riding has taken its place, all of those things, and it's gone above and beyond that. As much as I miss everything I used to do, it is so freeing to be out on a motorcycle. Of course, you know, you wouldn't be watching this unless you ride, I imagine. If you haven't ridden though, and you're thinking about it, you're looking at me for insight, tips. Am I pleased after 1 year of riding that I chose to take the plunge? Yes, I am. Obviously, I've taken a rather unconventional route into riding. But Matt and I have just recently reached our initial goal of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which means that all important monetization, which we're incredibly grateful for everyone's support with. It is very hard at any stage to change your career, and or in my instance, just not be able to carry on with the career that you've been in. So this has filled the gap nicely, and it's my sincere hope that we will continue filling that gap with DSR. Hey Matthew. Back to passing my test in summer of last year, I bought myself a brand new KTM 390. It was a love affair. I think everyone loves their first bike. I certainly loved my first car. It was a van called Jeff. And well, the 390 just gave me the confidence to keep on improving. I was under no illusion that just because I passed my test, I was a completely proficient rider. You just have to get seat time, keep going out. You know, you can't always plan for what happens on the road. Drivers are out to kill you. My MT-07 is the second bike. Kind of if you ignore the WR250. And I do love this bike. I really do. The lovely problem we have is that we take out so many different bikes. So I'm constantly comparing. I'm constantly thinking, gosh, wouldn't this be a nice bike to own? Most recently, I absolutely fell in love with Ducati Supersport S. It felt like it was the right fit for me, and I'm really hoping that at some point I will buy it. A very close contender was the Kawasaki 1000 SX that Matt actually did a review on. Go check it out on the channel. It's an excellent review. Excellent review on an excellent bike. There's just so much tech on that bike and so many cool features. Its handling is awesome, and in spite of all of that, the price is just awesome. What's there not to love? Most recently, Matt's got himself a Harley Davidson, another bike to trial out. I've really felt the Harley vibes. It's very hard to resist. I love riding with this man. Most of the time I'm eating his dust, but that doesn't matter. He's an excellent rider and a good teacher too. One day I might even impress him. Things I've learned whilst I've been riding this past year. The motorcycle community is awesome. It's like when you go camping or you're on a campsite and everyone says hello to you, which is just not normal. It's the same. You rock up anywhere with a bike, if someone else has got a bike, you've got to say hello to you. On the road, we say hello to each other. People who own bikes like to talk about their bikes. It's always an easy conversation starter. Not to mention you naughty folk who like to make mean comments on our videos. We know you own the bike that we're reviewing. We know you get very protective, let's say, precious. We know. That's okay. We're just glad you're watching. Second thing I've learned, expect the unexpected. Everyone really is out to kill you. You've got the folk who don't look. You've got the folk who think they're being helpful and like to sit in all the crap on the side of the road and usher you to come past, whilst simultaneously flicking it all up on the side, in your face, sorry. Third thing I've learned, it is okay to admit you're not comfortable on a bike. It doesn't matter if that bike is supposed to be the best thing since sliced bread. It's okay to say, A, it's too big, B, it's too fast. C, to say, it's not comfortable. These things are all okay. It's a very personal choice when picking a bike. It's okay to disagree with my opinion about one thing. Not just one thing, anything really. No, I was saying I only have disagreeable things once in a blue moon. I'm, very happy to admit that my tastes may change as I become a better rider. Hopefully. I mean, I could become a worse rider, I guess, and my taste would change then as well. Sometimes bikes just don't feel right to me. That's okay. The last thing I will say about, things I've observed this past year is always to ride within your ability, your capacity. Most of my riding is done out with Matt, and I know I've pushed myself sometimes to keep up with him. It's not his fault. Yeah, it takes confidence being out on the road. Riding's only fun if you're able to do it. You can't do it if you've come off, or you've injured yourself or whatnot. Riding should be for your own personal enjoyment. There's nothing left for me to say, but thanks very much for your support. Thanks for watching the video. It really would be great if you're not already a subscriber to hit that subscribe button. Like the video, tell your friends about it, tell your friends about us. Watch some other watch some other I can't speak. I've been too much fun. Watch some of our other content. You won't be disappointed. In the meantime, take care and ride safe.